declaration of starting. Once again, स्क्रीन से नहीं था क्या?
हाँ स्क्रीन पे.
So the inline declaration of internal table. What got changed into the select query? So what are the things? First thing is we can write comma separated fields in the select query. Till now we used to write select VBELN VBTYP. Correct? From VBAK into table WT VBAK. Okay, let's think we have already declared this VBAK. Okay, WT VBAK over there. Okay. VBTYP, let's say AURAT. Okay. AURAT. So this is how we used to declare. First thing, what क्या बोल रहा है? We can write comma separated fields in the select query. So I will say comma and I will say comma. Okay. Second thing, whenever we will declare, we will write comma separated fields in the select query, we mandatorily have to write at the rate in before the internal table. Or if you are using any variable into the select query. तो मैं क्या वो लिखा है यहाँ पे? Whenever you are using this comma separated fields, you have to use @ in front of select at the internal table, and if you are using any variable, outside variable, let's say you are writing a condition where VBELN is in S_VBELN. So at that time you have to also write @. Now, third thing is we can declare internal table inline by using @data. So I will say @data, this one. So what it has done? It has declared this at WTVBAK. Okay, URL is not there yet. And okay, check this and then finally activate this. So the same line of code which we used to write in that 7 to 8 lines, by firstly declare the structure, declare the internal table, declare the work area, then write the select query. So same line of code we can do in the single line. Okay. Now, और समझ में है ना? अभी आपको क्या करना है? Let's say you have a selection. Let's say you want to use this. Okay. So let's say he was giving normally I am giving you an example. Okay, VBELN in, we'll say VBELN equals to LV_VBELN. जब भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, बाहर का कोई वेरिएबल यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, LV_string लेट्स से. ओके, सो हमें क्या यूज करना है? @. ठीक है. Now I want to print the data. How can I print now? Loop at WT VBAK into. Look, now we have not declared the work area. How can we declare? We can simply say data WAVBAK and loop. We have to use @ in select query only.
Okay.
Okay. What is this @ known as? This @ we used to call it as a escaping variable.
Okay.
So we have to use this @ in select query only.
Okay.
Okay. Now same thing I can do, right? WAVBAK का क्या VBELN, WAVBAK का VBTYP, WAVBAK का ANGTT. Save this, check this, and then finally activate this. Okay. Let's execute this. So you can see we are able to print this. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now let's go ahead. Now let's say I want to download these records into my desktop. Okay. मैं कोई वाले records डाउनलोड करने हैं. कैसे करूँगा? Look, we are having a function module which is known as GUI_download. Okay. Simply click on pattern and write GUI_download. Okay. File name. What do you have to give into our file name? Here. File name is my string. Okay. File name में मैं क्या देना भी बताता हूँ. ठीक है. Oh, it's a very good way. It has automatically declared all these variables. Nice. Then we are having these tables in the data tab. So in the data tab, I have to give my LV and what is my internal table name? WT_VBAK. Okay. Let me delete these all things from here. Now I have to give the file name. What is my file name? Let's say firstly we have to create a, let's say, notepad file on the screen. Okay. NOTE. Let's give it as a demo. Okay. Desktop. Right click, go to properties and copy this path. Okay. I can say here value. Okay, I will say it as a new.txt. Okay. Save this, check this, and then activate this. Okay. Execute this. Just directly execute. क्या हुआ है? मैंने क्या क्या? Look, no use of creating this. Okay, don't create. Automatically, if I will go to the new, you can see it has downloaded all these records. तो क्या करना है हमें? Simple. So we have to give the.
जो लोकेशन दी थी ये कैसे यहाँ पे जो C/user अपने
देखो,
डॉक्यूमेंट तो बनाए
नहीं बनाया ना, तो क्या करेगा ना,
हाँ.
सिस्टम में ऑटोमेटिकली एक फाइल बना देगा आपके नेम की, जो भी आप नेम पास करेंगे. Let's say I will say Arun. Okay. Save this, check this, and then activate this. I will execute this. So you can say transferring package, page code downloaded. Okay. I will go back again. You can see where is Arun? Yeah, you can see here Arun file is created. Okay. So this is how you can download the records of the internal table to your normal this sheet. Now let's say I want to download it into the Excel format. Okay. So for what is the format for Excel? The format is XLS. Okay. Save this, check this, and then activate it. Let's execute this. Again, it has downloaded. Okay, I will go where with the arun.xls. It has created a Excel file.
Excel
You can see we have downloaded these records into our Excel file. So this is how
file.
you can download the reports into your Excel sheet. Correct?
Right.
Now, this is not a requirement. The
Hmm.
requirement is look, every time we have to give a path and we have to give a name.
Ah,
And what
name.
is this? This is a hardcore programming. Hardcore. We are doing the hard coding. But
Okay.
if I want to create the program like whenever user will enter the data,
Hmm.
what user will do? User will select the data. Okay.
Like select.
Only user have to do this.
Hmm.
Okay. I don't have want to write this. Okay. So
Hmm.
for that we can create a selection screen and all of those things we can do in that case. Okay,
Okay.
that we'll see. I
Hmm.
will show you later. See how can we use that. Okay. As of now, is
Hmm.
this clear? How can you download these records into your internal table and how can you do this?
Hmm.
Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Let's comment this out all. GUI download something Maya?
Ah,
Okay, let me stop recording.